Hello everybody, my name is Sai Padma HM from Kendra Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri. I consider it my proud privilege to be a part of this virtual farewell, and I thank Kendra Vidyalaya Begumpet for giving me an opportunity to express myself about Dilruba Madam. Dilruba Madam is my friend, philosopher and guide, and above all my sister, my elder sister. She calls me so. She called me so many times earlier in some of the courses that we both have attended, and she rightly means what she said, because I followed her as a younger sister, be it going to Moscow or taking a national award. First she has achieved the milestone and I have followed her like a younger sister. And I remember the very nice time that we had together in KB Hakimpet. The way we used to fight for making our children compete in the CCA competitions, or work hard to make our class to receive the best class trophy. So there were so many such competitions amongst us, and never it was a rat race. We always had a healthy competition, and I remember the way we went all through in Rajdhani Express to attend the interview in Delhi, and how we could crack the HM interview and became HMs together. Dilruba Madam, as you all know, is a very resourceful person, and that is why she had been chosen as resource person for many number of times for so many in-service courses and so many workshops. And I think not less than 50 courses or so she must have been the resource person. And that is no, it's not just enough to be talented. She is that person who shares her talent, who shares her innovative ideas and practices with others. That is why KVS has chosen her the resource person. And then she is a very hard-working person. All of us know the way she works. Oh my God, I had been with her for so many courses, and even in ZIET Mysore, I remember her writing modules till late in the night, till 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the night. She used to sit and write the modules for training modules for in-service courses. And she keeps her profession above everything. And she is a true KVN who believes in all that has been told by the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. She is a very workaholic person. And I remember Principal Shankar sir once calling her Pani Rakshasi. That means that kind of work she does, and she takes the work to that effect. And she is a person of lot of creativity. Her creative work is really worth a mention, because you should see her picture dictionaries, the picture dictionaries that she treasures. And all our officials in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan say that a lesson plan book or the teacher's diary reflects the personality of the teacher. And I'm proud to say that Dilruba Madam maintains her teacher's diary so well, and she treasures them. And I'm sure that she has all the teacher's diaries from the day she has joined KVS till the day she's going to retire. So that kind of personality is reflected through her teaching diary, and whatever she wants her teachers to do, she practices them all by herself, and then she makes teachers work. So it's indeed a great experience, a great feeling to be associated with such a talented, such a dynamic, such a resourceful, and above all, such a friendly person. Had it not been a virtual farewell, it would have been a grand function. Her farewell would have been a grand function, because she has got friends across the globe, and all her friends keep in touch with her. She keeps in touch with everyone, and she really maintains wonderful relations with everybody. And she's a very good human being, and she was next to me for all my problems, for all my for all the good and bad that had happened in my life. So I can never have a friend like Dilruba Madam in my life, and it's indeed, I consider myself very, very fortunate to be her friend. And she is also a very good parent. She is a successful working woman, sailing on two boats very, very effectively. Her children, she has brought them with morals and values. Fareen and Faraz are excellent children, and I hope they are going to take good care of her after her retired life. And KVS is definitely going to lose a gem in the name of Dilruba Madam. But still, this day has to happen in the life of everybody, and it has come for Dilruba Madam. But it's definitely a loss for KVS. But I wish that she would continue to work for the cause of education in some form or the other, and I want her to pursue her hobbies. I want her to spend time with her family. Her grandchildren are waiting for her in Japan, so she would be meeting them all, and she would be having wonderful time once she is out of this job responsibilities. And I want her to be very, very happy in her second innings as well. I take this opportunity to congratulate her on her successful completion of her tenure without any remark, with all praises. And I wish her a very happy, healthy and peaceful retired life. May God bless her with peace, prosperity, health and happiness. May all her wishes come true. May she succeed in all her future endeavors. I pray Almighty to bestow upon her the best, and may she have a wonderful, wonderful retired life. And Dilruba Madam continued being an elder sister to me, and you will be only one phone call away from me. I keep bothering you as and when I require you, and you are always welcome to meet this friend of yours, your younger sister. May God bless you. Thank you one and all. And I thought when Lillian Madam has asked me to speak, I thought 3 minutes to 4 minutes are not enough, and I hope I have done little yet. I have crossed the limit, I am very sure about it, but I can't help it. Sorry, Lillian Madam, but still, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Love you lots, Dilruba. God bless you. Thank you.